Okay, testing 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so I'm doing an assignment for my CSE 310. This is Module 1. It is about Rust, Rust coding and what I've learned, um, and what I built, essentially. Okay, so let's see. This is my GitHub repository. I had a hard time pushing this GitHub repository because I wasn't sure if my GitHub in here is the right one. But yeah, I don't know how to tell if I can. Hello world GitHub. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna push it. I just saved it and pulled it manually, I guess you could say. This is my code. It's a D&D type kind of thing. You just put your name, you choose a class, you display health attack, um, and you're going against a goblin. And you'll have your health tracked, your damage tracked. You'll have most of it's just random enums, random attacks, and random health. Um, you have a choice system in here where your health, mage, warrior, mage, and rogue. Your rogue will be attack damage. Mage will be more health, less attack, I believe, and warrior is vice versa, less health, more attack, or more attack, less health. Either way, you'll get to choose by taking turns. Um, Here's an example right there. You can choose 1, 2, or 3, and if you have an invalid option, it should rerun through the loop until you choose one of these actions. Um, you can put your name, whatever you want to call it, it'll display it, and then you'll be going against the goblin, and then you have a set amount of turns, I believe, to fight. And then once one of you dies, it'll display your name, the monster's name, and whoever won. And so you kind of got to choose wisely, either if you're going to heal or if you're going to attack to kill the goblin first, or if you're going to get killed. So let's just run it. I've had a hard time trying to run Rust, especially because Rust is typically, I don't know, its own thing. It's very case sensitive. It's kind of has things done backwards, whereas it's like C++ or C Sharp or even Python. I've noticed some things are the same, some things are kind of just straightforward. But it takes like all three of those languages that I describe into account, and it kind of just tweaks it on its own little style, which is unique. I kind of do like how you can put some of these brackets here, and then you call it afterwards. That is kind of nice a little bit, so you can see what's gonna happen. A little messy there, but then again, you can see what you're trying to type out at least. Enough talking. Um, let's run it and see how it does. I had to use I had to look this up quite a bit to run it. Um, that I'll talk afterwards after we run it. So I run it in the terminal. Welcome to Rusty's D&D battle. Enter your name. Put my name, Heber. Choose your class. You have warrior, mage, or rogue. We'll just go with um, warrior. And you list character stats, name, class, health, attack, and then potions. Potions used. Alright, let's get to it. Battle begins, turn 1. Action will attack. 24 damage, 77, 11 damage for me, 109. We'll just keep attacking him until he dies. He should get lower than me, I believe. Yeah, he'll die right here. He's got 1 health. Attack. Boom. Goblin attacks, 22 damage. He dies. Goblin has been defeated by Heber. You win. If we run it again, we can see how it does against attacking. See, right now our health is kind of the same, except for I'm a little bit lower and he's a little bit higher. So if I did 2 instead, I can heal to 88, but then he attacks me for 73. So I did gain some health and some advantage there. So if I heal again, essentially I can just keep. Oh, actually, I shouldn't heal here. I should probably kill him. Yeah, there we go. Killed him before he could kill me. There's a little display of the actions of healing and attacking. Um, I had to look this up. I used AI to help me figure this crap out. It was very, very messy because you can't just run it normally in a terminal. If you run it, it's just gonna give you a lot of this crap. And VS Code usually doesn't run this because it doesn't usually have this as a language. Yeah, I kind of had to like manually install it, which is okay and all. But then again, it's like, what can you really do? Um, so if you're looking to install Rust, you just look it up online. Oh, computer's glitching out. Do Rust VS Code, and if you go to here, do your Visual Studio's code, you want to do this. Just follow this whole guideline, and it should get you to finish it and install everything. Um, and then you can easily run it by either trying to figure it out, following those steps, or asking AI. I asked AI to help me run it. That's how I got the terminal to work. It does have a hard time linking this when you download it, so if you can figure that out, I think you should do fine to running your code. But yeah, that's my little D&D thing. Um, it is very interesting. It's an interesting code to learn. Um, overall, kind of messy. I can see why people like and hate it at the same time. But overall, it was a fun experience. I'm not sure if I'll add more to this, but we'll have to come back to it on a later date. But yeah, that's my stuff.